What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. I wanted to go ahead and do a demo on the RainX Premium Headlight Restoration Kit by RainX. The last restoration kit that I actually had used was a 3M, and that was on my Honda that I had at the time. That one has been sold. So now I wanted to go ahead and try this on my 2009 Tundra. The headlights are a little dingy, as you can see here. So I want to go ahead and give this product a try. We'll see what kind of results we get, and we'll go ahead and get started right after this. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and release some literature off the box. This is a professional grade results, creates long-lasting protective barrier, includes drill attachment for easier sanding and polish. What we have here is the brown 1500 grade sanding disc, the gray is a 3200 grade sanding disc, and the blue is 4000 grade sanding disc. It also comes with the RainX Premium Headlight Polishing Pad, RainX Premium Headlight Buffing Polish, RainX Premium Headlight Protectant Sealant Wipe, and latex-free gloves. Make sure to add some masking tape around the headlights. Put as much as you want because you don't want to sand into your paint. As you can see here, a lot of the oxidation is already coming off. And basically what I'm looking for here is to, if you will, kind of like a frosted glass look. So it's not there quite yet. It's still a little patchy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it again. All right, guys, so now it's time for the polishing stage, and I added about probably like a quarter size, could have been a little less, but now I'm just blotting it out so that way I don't sling it all over the place. If you have any trouble taking off the polish, just spritz a little bit of water on your microfiber towel and it'll take it right off. All right, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply the sealant, and I'm just doing a one pass thing. And that is sufficient enough. So you want to make sure that you do both headlights. The other headlight was already done, so I was just wiping this one down with the sealant, and that's pretty much it. Guys, this product did an awesome job. I was really happy with the way the headlights came out. I was really impressed. Like, they almost look like new headlights to me, in my opinion. All right, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.